Hello, my name is Danish Chaudhry, and I am a network security student at the University of Advancing Technology. This is my proposal pitch for the Student Innovation Project. Project BlueLock, laptop security automation via Bluetooth authentication. In today's world, many people use portable devices such as smartphones and laptops on a daily basis to stay productive, efficient, and connected with the world around them. As more devices become present within the public sphere, so do individuals who wish to steal these devices. As people go about their days, they often face simple decisions of whether their belongings will be safe if left unattended at the workplace, home, or even public places which appear safe. In a moment's notice, a laptop can be stolen. Some recent statistics on smart device and laptops show that 80% of humans own a mobile phone. 91.4 million smartphones are in the United States alone, and 1.08 billion smartphones are worldwide. People between the ages of 25 and 34 are 60% more likely to own a smartphone, and laptop ownership has increased 57% between 2006 and 2012. According to the Ponemon Institute and Intel, in a 2010 study, 46% of the lost laptops contained confidential data, and only 30% of those systems were encrypted, while 10% had other anti-theft technologies. There have been some implementations of similar ideas to BlueLock, but none containing the innovations which BlueLock will provide. BlueLock will be based upon some of these prior concepts, such as Bluetooth authentication through a smartphone. In 2007, it was found that Bluetooth-enabled phones could have the potential to unlock and lock a computer using a third-party software plugin called Proximity. Proximity was developed in 2007 and enables a user to detect nearby paired Bluetooth devices and execute scripts when the device is within or out of range. This same software later had a revision which was aimed at the Mac OS X platform, enabling Mac users the same ability as PC users. Proximity is able to execute Apple scripts and could automate items such as security software, iTunes Playback Control, and third-party lock screens. iAlertU is a third-party software which allows for a vibration-based alarm system to be activated when screensavers are enabled. BlueLock aims to achieve an alternative method of laptop security and user authentication. BlueLock takes advantage of Bluetooth interconnectivity between a smart device and a computer to initiate the arming and disarming of a laptop alarm system. Bluetooth has already been seen in use to enable the locking and unlocking of computers, and the BlueLock innovation lies within the automation of the alarm system upon Bluetooth authentication, the integration of a smart device application to allow for ease of use, and alarm methods such as email notification, video capture, audible alarms, and vibration sensing. Due to the ready availability of components needed for this project, it will be relatively low in cost to implement and create. Typical usage of BlueLock would consist of users being able to ensure security of their devices and accumulate evidence against the perpetrator. These users would utilize the system on an everyday basis and additionally are smart device owners. The target demographic of BlueLock includes a wide range from high school students to older adults. To illustrate what usage of BlueLock would be like, let us envision a scenario which takes place in a cafe. John is a patron who is working feverishly on his school project and drinking lots of coffee to stay productive. All of a sudden he feels the urge to use the restroom, and thinking it will be only a short moment left unattended, he leaves his laptop and heads for the restroom. A scrupulous individual named Jack is seated in the corner of the cafe and has been eyeing John's laptop. Realizing that the establishment is starting to get busier and John has left for the restroom, he seizes his moment and makes a try for the computer. Lucky for John, he had BlueLock enabled. BlueLock takes webcam images at set intervals and compares them to look for changes. As Jack approached, BlueLock detected him and began taking images, storing them into a log file. Jack slams the laptop closed in a hurry, picking it up and thinking he will blend into the crowd as he leaves. Upon sensing Jack picking up the laptop, an audible alarm begins to sound and John receives an alert on his phone stating that the BlueLock has been triggered. He also receives a photo of Jack. He rushes out to find that Jack has been detained by a police officer who happened to be walking in and is able to provide proof that Jack attempted to steal his computer, leading to his arrest. Evaluation criteria will be tested on a continual and iterative process. As each new element is implemented, the criteria list will be used to ensure that the project fits within the necessities of usefulness and usability. Some criteria which could be used in the evaluation of the project are: does the application provide an easy-to-use application interface? Does the alarm trigger upon stimuli? Does the audible alarm activate when vibration is detected? Does the camera take a photo when change is detected? Does Bluetooth authentication work correctly as intended? Do scripts function as intended? Does the application run smoothly on a smart device? Does the application enhance or reduce usefulness of the system? Is the system easy to deploy for the average user? Are there areas which can be improved upon for smoother functionality? Some potential areas of future enhancements which extend past the BlueLock project period could include modifications to provide better security of the Bluetooth protocol when used for authentication between smart device and computer, and the use of other authentication layers, such as a type of biometric jewelry. For example, a necklace one wears and uses a fingerprint to activate via Bluetooth the unlock and lockdown procedures of BlueLock. This product would aim to be free and open source so that anyone could have accessibility to it. In the end, BlueLock could provide an additional method to combating laptop theft, reducing the potential of sensitive information falling into the wrong hands. Thank you for listening to my project proposal pitch on BlueLock, and I hope you enjoyed it.